Okay, so I'm waiting for my grocery pickup, and I had to tell you guys a story about today at school, because today at school I got the opportunity to teach life lessons to my high schoolers, and those are my favorite days in class. So we are prepping to do a lab this week, which is why I'm at Walmart anyway, picking up cereal, because we're going to have the kids test for the amount of iron in the cereal, which is a pretty neat little lab they can do. Now, included in this lab is a chart showing you your daily recommended doses of iron. It's very obvious from the chart that women need more iron in their daily intake than men do, which leads to some questions. I, of course, asked the kids, why do you guys think that women need more iron than men do? And I kind of just smile. I got the same reaction from pretty much every single class. The girls got it, and they just kind of laughed. And the boys looked confused. But alas, there was always one boy who would say, is it because girls have periods? To which I would reply, yes. Yes, it is. Because we have periods, we need more iron. Which was then pretty much met with, oh my God, are you serious? Is that really the reason? I was just joking. I didn't think that was the reason. To which then I would say, no, that's the reason. Women bleed every month, and so we need to replenish our iron. And because I love my children and I like sharing more information, we continued to look down the chart and noticed, obviously, pregnant women need much more iron. Growing a human need more iron. Curiously, though, they need way less iron while they're breastfeeding, which I also found curious. I had to Google, and then once I saw the answer, it made sense. Very few of my students were able to figure out why breastfeeding women didn't need as much iron. I think maybe one of them did, but in case you're curious, it does make logical sense because typically breastfeeding women do not get their period, so we're not losing their iron. So, the more you know. So anyway, that's what I did today in chemistry. Taught my students about periods, iron, and breastfeeding. Happy Tuesday.